Oh Jesus, who is like unto you, Lord? Heaven and earth declares your glory. Balabo shabalaba. Weche bubu, weche akme, o kokwe mau, nado woko deji. Weche bubu, weche nakbe, o kokwe mawe, nado woko deji. Weche bubu, weche nakbe, woko kwema wiye nyatu woko deji. Weche bubu, weche akbe, woko kwema wiye nyatu woko. I welcome you all to His Majesty Studio, a channel that I've been open to bring out the gospel of God through singing, through ministrations. We pray that God through us will bring that which you have been dreaming of. God through us will heal that your sickness. God through us will lift you to another level. Stay connected and stay blessed. The social media handles are on Facebook, we are Worship Arena. On Instagram, we are Worship Arena. On YouTube, we are His Majesty Studios. Connect with us. Listen every day whilst we worship God and we lift up the name of the Creator of the universe, the most powerful God, and your life will never be the same. God bless you. I remain Godwin Erickson. Weche